Welcome again to Shattora kitchen. I will make Kunafa desserts with cheese. Let's prepare it together. The ingredients are 3 cups of Kunafa cut into small pieces, a cup and a half of butter, a cup of dates, a quarter of a kilo of white chocolate, half a kilo of cream cheese, 2 boxes of whipping cream for desserts, bee honey. That's all I need to make this recipe today. The first step is to put the butter on the fire to melt. After that, put the Kunafa in the butter. Turn the Kunafa over so that it's covered with butter. Keep stirring until the Kunafa turns golden. This is the shape of Kunafa with its distinctive golden color. Turn off the fire. Put 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix them together. In an openable cake pan, put Kunafa in a cake pan. Save a portion of the Kunafa to decorate the surface. Spread the Kunafa and press it well. Now we put in the fridge for solidify. Put the white chocolate over a pool of boiling water. This is to make a water bath. In a new bowl, put the whipping cream. Wipe the cream using an egg beater until you reach this density. The chocolate is completely melted now. Add the cream to the chocolate gradually while continuing to mix quickly. Don't add the cream all at once, as it will cause the chocolate to freeze and spoil the desired density. Continue mixing quickly until the cream and chocolate are well combined. Add half a cup of honey. Add cream cheese. Mix well until the mixture is well mixed. An electric mixer can be used. This is how the final shape is. Now dates can be added. Mix well. Get Kunafa from the refrigerator. Now add this mixture over the Kunafa. Equalize the surface of the cream. Use the rest of the Kunafa to decorate the face of the tray. A portion of the cream can be used to decorate the face of the tray. Dates are used for decoration as well. I finished decorating and taking the Kunafa from the cake pan. This is the final form and can be presented this way. Kunafa from the bottom and top, cream cheese and a thick layer stuffed with dates. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
مع السلامة.